Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. This is a second video of this playlist where we are learning Rust backend, how to create APIs in backend by using Rust. As Rust is a powerful language, and that's why we have chosen this language to build our backends. Cool. So in previous video we have seen the overview of our like this playlist, what we all are going to learn in this playlist, and we have shown you some more things, just like I have currently deployed this code, or we can say this website on internet. Just what you can do, just to go to your browser and right here code.i+t.in. Okay, i+t.in. Okay, just hit this enter, and you will be able to access this website. Okay, currently any SEO or any other thing is not done, but yeah, you can access this. Okay, cool. So now here here is a course of our Rust backend server, and if you click on this view course, so then you will be able to redirect on this website. Okay, and in previous video we have seen this page itself, the overview of this playlist, what we all are going to learn. If you have not watched that video, what you can do, just come here on this website, and you can watch this, or you can directly uh, go to the playlist, and from there also you can watch. Okay, cool. Now our next step is today, that next lesson is, so here I will be updating all the lessons. You can see our first lesson is successfully updated, but the second will be updated when you will be watching this lecture. Okay, this will be updated. Fine. If I click on view lecture, then we will be redirected to this page where we will see the installation steps of Rust and Cargo. It doesn't matter whether you are using Linux, Windows, or Mac. The thing is, just follow the guides that I have written here. Okay, this is for all, for iOS, like for Mac also, for Windows also, and Linux also. Okay, here when you will see this video, you will be able to view this, basically this video will be here. Okay, and you will be able to view this video. Let me pause it. Okay, now here I have making some guides how to install Rust in your any system. Okay, so first of all we will continue with Windows. As you know, Windows is commonly used by everyone. Okay, cool. So here I have making a simple steps. What do you need to do? Just visit this URL. Okay, and you need to install the like one ext file will be there. Just install that file. Let me click on it. And you will redirected on this page. Here you will see the recommendation from their official website. How can we install Rust? Okay, so here they have said that just hit this in your browser, means in your terminal. So what you need to do in your system, open the terminal and copy this URL and paste it. Okay, I have already done this, that's why I will not do it again. Just hit enter. Okay, this will install the Rust in your system, and there can be some things like you need to configure Rust, okay, in your environment variable. For that, what you can do, you need to see the environment variable from here. Okay, and that's so simple, nothing else is there. Two things you need to do. First is you need to run this command in your terminal, and the second is you need to see the bin directory. Okay, means you need to add a path variable for Rust, and that's it. You will be done for installation right now. Okay, now let's move back and let's see for Mac installation. So Mac, I have not tried, but I have written here some commands that you can follow. So what you can do here, in your open your terminal in Mac, and write here this command. Okay, xcode select install, and after that you need to install the Rust. Okay, for that, this is the same command, by the way. Okay, this is we need to get the URL, and after that we need to hit this particular thing. This will start downloading the Rust in your system. Okay, and that's it, guys. For Mac, the installation is done. It will ask for a few things for Windows, Mac, and Linux also, that you what Rust you want to install? Do you want a default one, or do you want advanced, or you want to do a manual selection? Okay, you can go with the default, as I have written here. Choose default installation option, and after that in your terminal you can write here rustc version. Okay, means which version of Rust is installed in your system. If you are getting a version, then cool, you have installed the Rust in your Mac system. Okay, now next is Ubuntu. It's too simple in Ubuntu also. Everything will be done by command line itself. Okay, so what do you need to do right now? Just copy this command from here and go to your terminal, and just paste that command in your terminal and just hit enter. Okay, I will not do because it's already in my system. And now next is we will install the Rust. Okay, so what you will do is the same command line. Okay, means same link we need to copy from here and just paste it in your terminal. Once it's downloaded, what you need to make sure that you are setting the environment variable. So what you need to do, copy this and paste it in your same terminal, and that's it guys. Our installation is finished here. And now next we can see the react like Rust version. Okay, so what do you need to do, just come here and paste it. So you can see we have our Rust version perfectly coming here. Okay, cool. Now the motive of this video, as I said in previous video, we will see the installation, how we can install the video Rust. And next we will create a folder also in which we will be working throughout this series. Right, so what I will do right now, I have shown you here few more things. As here we have seen we will install Rust. We have seen currently Rust version also. Now we will see the cargo version. Okay, by the way, cargo is by default installed with the Rust itself. Okay, so no need to separately install cargo. Okay, cool. So what do you need to do, just copy this cargo version. Okay, and come back to your terminal, just paste this command and you will see the cargo version. Okay, that will be by default installed with the Rust. Cool. So next is as we have seen, like I have said in previous video, that we will be installing Rust, and we will create one folder also, means one project with the help of Rust. So cargo is a package manager for Rust, as npm, like Node.js has npm, same to same Rust has its own cargo. Okay, so we will copy this command. It's basically cargo new, means we will create a new project. So what I will do, I will go to the specific location in my system. Right now I will be using we can say I will be coming on desktop itself, and I will open integrated terminal and I will be pasting this cargo new project. Okay, so we will say here Rust. Okay, and I will hit enter. So you can see we have one folder, and let me clear this, and let me open this Rust folder with the VS Code. Okay, so I will open it with VS Code. So it's completely opened, and currently you can see we have three total files, where two are files and one is folder. So we have one gitignore file. Basically gitignore is to don't do we don't need to push our builds on GitHub. Okay, that's it, nothing much more for gitignore. Next is cargo.toml. Okay, just the same to same in our JavaScript projects. We have our package.json, right? Same to same here we have cargo.toml. Okay, and here we have we can see four lines of code. First one is package, means the information about the package, like what is the name of our project, that is Rust, and the version of this project is 0.1.0, edition is 2024. And after that we have dependencies in a square bracket. Okay, so currently we don't have any dependency installed in this system, so we don't even need not to see how we can do this all. Okay, cool. Now we have one folder, our src folder, and inside src folder we have our main file, main.rs. Make sure that whenever your project is running, first of all it will initially go to this main.rs file which is inside src folder, and make sure that this main.rs file is always present there. Okay, If this is not there, your code may not work. Okay, but make sure that this file need to be there. Okay, now next, here in this main.rs file, we can see 3 line of code where we have creating a function, and we are calling that main function. Okay, and we are consoling the value, means printing the value, that is hello world. And now the syntax, you can easily see how the syntax is. Oh, so the here we can see we have created a function, means we are initializing a function by fn. We are name of our function is main, and we are printing in our terminal by print ln, and we are making exclamatory sign, and after that in a like double brackets, or we can say double back tick you can use here, or single tick you can use, double tick. Okay, that's not an issue. Here we have written hello world, and after that a semicolon. So this is a basic syntax to make it. Okay, and now if we come to our documentation, currently now we have created a project. We have moved inside this project, and we have seen the structure of this project. Now our next is cargo run. So what is cargo run? As we have in our node projects, like npm run dev, npm start, basically we need to start our servers, right? So same to same in rust we have cargo run. So what is cargo? As in few minutes ago I have told you, cargo is a package manager for rust. Okay, so if I do here cargo run, so what it will do, it will build my project. So currently you can see it has created a target file folder, and inside that folder a lot of bunch files will be there. Okay, that's not for our need, but the thing is, if I show you the main file that we will be looking for, so open your target folder and debug folder, and come to here rust. Okay, so make sure your file name can be anything according on the basis of your folder name. Okay, so this is a file which will be final binary file for us. Okay, we will be executing this file in our deployment time. Okay, cool. And in our terminal, you can see we have gotten an output that is hello world. Okay, cool guys. I hope till here everyone is with me, no one is lagging behind, and everyone is aware about the project structure installation. If any one of you is facing any issue, just whatever issue it can be related to installation, whether rust is not installed or installed in your system. What you need to do, just make sure that you can move to any AI tool like ChatGPT or DeepSeek. I prefer DeepSeek. If any issue come in your terminal while installing the we can say rust, what you can do, just copy that error and paste it here. This will easily let you know what error it is and how that can be solved. Okay, cool. That's all guys. I hope you enjoy this video, and in next video we will be creating our first API endpoint, that will be a get method, and trust me guys, this will be too interesting, too simple, and you all will love this a lot. So thank you so much guys, and I will catch up you in next video. Thank you so much.